Morning, everybody. It's 8:38 on this Thursday, the 15th, and because it's Thursday, it's claims day. Um, Initial claims up 1,000 to 262,000. In point of fact, last week was uh, revised up 1,000, so really it's 262 versus 262. Continuing claims up 20,000, 1,775,000. Um, Retail sales up 0.3% versus up 0.4% last time. X autos plus zero point 0.1, and gasoline, X gas and autos up 0.3. Philly Fed, another horrendous number, 10th one in a row, down 13.7%. That's pretty ugly. Empire State Manufacturing up 6.6%. That's pretty much in line. Import prices down 0.6% versus 0.5%. As far as the futures go, before the earlier this morning, Dow down 75 right before the numbers came at 8:30, down 82. Nasdaq down 110 versus down 102, and the S&P down 18 versus down 20. However, right now we're getting a little bit more of a sell-off, as I guess people digest the numbers. The Dow is now down 113. The Now down 118.33. As far as the Nasdaq, down 129, and the S&P down about 23. So a little bit of a sell-off here after the numbers. CAVA, the Mediterranean restaurant that is going public today. Price is 22. That is substantially higher than the 17 to 19, followed by 20 to 21. So priced over. And according to sources, it says that it was 30 times oversubscribed. So pretty interesting, although everybody's favorite jackass, Kramer, says you have to own it. Based on these kind of numbers, it would have to outperform Chipotle for a decade in order to have that kind of valuation. Valuation, I believe, is about 2.4 billion. A tough one. Interesting. Just happened to pick it up off the tape. MRSN, that's Mersana. They had two clinical trials for their cancer treatment, not halted by the FDA, but they're not allowing any more in that trial. Mersana is an interesting company. It's been from $1.50 up to 24, down to 2.50, up to almost 30. Closed at 9.55 yesterday. The low this morning is $2.68. And currently, let me just pull it up here. It is currently trading at $3.64. So it's come $1 off the low, but at 364, it is still down $5.92 or 62%. So that's pretty ugly. On the screen, we have the futures. Kind of interesting. All of the risk assets. Gold down 27, silver down 72. Looking at Bitcoin down 1,000. Um, Ethereum down 95. The bonds down 10/32. The dollar, which was a little higher, down again as it was yesterday. But the foods, the grains, are higher across the board. Um, and we don't have any openings yet on the cattle and pork, etc. In the softs, we have the coffee up about 280 and the cotton down about 62 cents. We were notified with an as of trade in JO, that's the coffee ETF. They have redeemed that, and so we are taken out of that last 50 shares at 54.76 for a nice profit. We were in it at 36.62. Okay, one last look. S&P down 23, Dow Jones down 100, and the Nasdaq down 116. I'll be back later.